It was the interview process like?
Quite daunting, to be honest. Running my own business, I hadn't had an interview in 10 years, so it was a little bit of a shaky feet before. But going in, there were 5 guys interviewing me,
Face to face.
face to face. It was daunting at first, but once we got into it, I was very comfortable. I was dealing with the people who were into the same thing, so I became a lot more relaxed. I just told them what I knew.
How much did the preparation we had play a role in the first interview session that you had with those 5 people?
Massive. He taught me a lot about swinging things all to the positive, and I think that helped me in every way.
Wow.
Yeah.